Hi guys, Mitch and Evan Skelly here. We are both first-time home sellers, and we had quite the process doing this house. We had to do a complete renovation, 2 bathrooms, flooring, kitchen, everything. Bev was amazing right from the beginning. She recommended Marsha Wheeler, who did a fantastic job. Not enough good things to say about her. I've known Bev, the both of us have known Bev personally for 15, 16 years now. So Bev just walked us through the entire stage, what things to focus on in regards to doing a renovation. And then when it came time to sell, Bev really laid down the market for us where things had been this time last year. We felt very comfortable when it came time, when the house was done being renovated, when it became time to sell, that we felt comfortable going her way.
We received an offer within the first 24 hours, and Bev made it a point to get both of us on the phone to make sure we understood the offer, and she was very thoughtful and creative throughout the process of accepting the offer, and we were able to get full lists within 30 hours of being on the market.